Come test drive the 2019 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, smart device integration. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.